Welcome back to my channel. In previous class, we have finished first sum of exercise 3.2. Let's continue with the second sum. On comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident. Okay, the given pair of linear equations 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0 and 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. So, we need to find the ratio A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. By that we will come to a conclusion that whether the lines are intersect or parallel or coincident. So, A1 first linear equation in two variables is 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. So, A1 is 5, B1 is minus 4. A1 means coefficient of x, B coefficient of y and C is the constant term. Similarly, for second linear equation, A2 coefficient of x 7, B2 coefficient of y 6, C2 coefficient of C2 is the constant term, that is minus 9. Now we will find the ratio A1 by A2, that is 5 by 7, B1 by B2 is equal to minus 4 by 6, that is nothing but minus 2 by 3. It is very clear that A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, so no need to find C1 by C2. So, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Hence, the given lines intersect at a point. Since A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, the given pair of linear equations intersect at a point. A1 is equal to 9, B1 is equal to 3, C1 is equal to 12. A2 coefficient of x in the second linear equation, that is 18. B2 coefficient of y in the second linear equation, that is 6. C2 constant term, that is 24. Now, A1 by A2 is equal to 9 by 18, that is 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is equal to 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. C1 by C2 is equal to 12 by 24, that is 1 by 2. Clearly, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. A1 by A2 is 1 by 2, B1 by B2 is also 1 by 2 and C1 by C2 is also 1 by 2. So, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, the given lines are coincident lines. The given lines are coincident lines. A1 coefficient of x in the first linear equation, that is 6, B1 coefficient of y in the first linear equation, that is minus 3, C1 constant term of first linear equation, that is 10. A2 coefficient of x in the second linear equation, that is 2. B2 coefficient of y in the second linear equation, that is -1. C2 constant term of second linear equation, that is 9. A1 by A2 is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. B1 by B2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 1, minus by minus plus 3 by 1, 3. C1 by C2 is equal to 10 by 9. We cannot simplify further. So, A1 by A2 is equal to 3, B1 by B2 is also equal to 3, but C1 by C2 is 10 by 9. So, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, the given lines are parallel lines. Question number 3. On comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Consistent means the given pair has a solution, means they are consistent. If they don't have a solution, that means they are parallel, means inconsistent. That means intersecting lines are coincident lines. Both will have solution. Intersecting lines will have unique solution. Coincident lines will have infinitely many solutions. So, in these two cases, the given pair of linear equations will have a solution. So, we will say they are consistent. Only in case parallel lines, no solution. So, we will say inconsistent. Okay. 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. So, A1, 3. B1 is 2. C1 is 5. A2, 2. B2 minus 3. C2, 7. A1 by A2 is equal to 3 by 2. B1 by B2 is equal to 2 by minus 3. C1 by C2 is equal to 5 by 7. So, if you observe clearly, A1 by A2 is 3 by 2 and B1 by B2 is minus 2 by 3. 3 by 2 is not equal to 2 by 3, children. So, here A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So, no need to check C1 by C2. A1 by A2, if at all if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, then we will go for C1 by C2. In this case, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So, no need to check C1 by C2. So, A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 means the lines are intersecting. They intersect at one point. That means one solution they will have. So, the lines are consistent. So, the lines are consistent. A1 is equal to 2, B1 is equal to minus 3, C1 is equal to 8. A2 is equal to 4, B2 is equal to minus 6, C2 is equal to 9. A1 by A2 is equal to 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 6, minus by minus plus 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. C1 by C2 is equal to 8 by 9. So, clearly A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. That means the lines are parallel and no solution. So no solution means inconsistent lines. Therefore, the lines are inconsistent. Okay. 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal to 7. 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. Here coefficient of x, in first linear equation coefficient of x and y are fractions, no problem. So a1 is equal to 3 by 2, b1 is equal to 5 by 3, c1 is equal to 7, a2 is equal to 9, B2 is equal to minus 10, C2 is equal to 14. Now A1 by A2 is equal to 3 by 2 by 9. 3 by 2 into here 3 by 2 by 9 means the second fraction reciprocal we will write by writing into. That means 9 becomes 1 by 9. This 3 in 9 it will cancel 3 times. So this is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, that is 1 by 6. Then B1 by B2 is equal to 5 by 3 by minus 10, that is 5 by 3 into minus 1 by 10. 5 in 10 it will go 2 times. So this is 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 2 plus of minus minus 1 by 6. C1 by C2 is equal to 7 by 14, that is 1 by 2. So A1 by A2 is 1 by 6, B1 by B2 is minus 1 by 6, C1 by C2 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 6 is not equal to minus 1 by 6. That means A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So the lines are intersecting lines. So they will have unique solution. That means consistent. Therefore, the lines are consistent. Five x minus 3y is equal to 11. Minus 10x plus 6y is equal to minus 22. A1 is equal to 5, B1 is equal to minus 3, C1 is equal to 11. A2 is equal to minus 10, B2 is equal to 6, C2 is equal to minus 22. A1 by A2 is equal to 5 by minus 10, that is minus 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is equal to minus 3 by 6, that is minus 1 by 2. C1 by C2 is equal to 11 by minus 22, that is minus 1 by 2. In all the three cases we got minus 1 by 2. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, that is equal to C1 by C2. That means the lines are coincident lines and they will have infinitely many solutions. That means lines are consistent. Therefore, the given lines are consistent. Four by 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. A1 is equal to 4 by 3. B1 is equal to 2. C1 is equal to 8. A2 is equal to 2. B2 is equal to 3. C2 is equal to 12. A1 by A2 is equal to 4 by 3 by 2, which is nothing but 4 by 3 into 1 by 2. 2 in 4 it will go 2 times. So that is 2 by 3. B1 by B2 is equal to 2 by 3. C1 by C2 is equal to 8 by 12. You can cancel 4 table. So in 8 it will go 2 times and in 12 3 times, 2 by 3. So obviously all 3 are equal. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So the lines are coincident lines. So infinitely many solutions. That means consistent.